Hello, my name is Michael Harry. We are working on strengthening the nation's governance. In response to members wanting a better system, Malahat sees a brighter future with a custom election code. The election code means the community decides relevant electoral processes and laws for Malahat that add value to members and stability to the business environment.
The Custom Election Code is a law which will replace the Indian Act provisions with custom laws and rules owned by the Malahat Nation. According to the BC Assembly of First Nations, there are already 109 nations with their own custom election code. That means there are 59% of nations with an election code and 41% working towards getting one. This custom election code will come into effect in 2016.
Currently, the laws do not allow for Malahat members' input in changing election processes. A custom election code will change that for the better. We will get to decide how to elect our leadership as a community, and no laws will be passed without community approval.
It also allows for greater accountability and considerations with the nomination and voting process of Chief and Council, and provides one seat for an off-reserve member, so all members have their interests represented. Chief and Council will serve a 4-year term rather than a 2-year term, which allows for long-term development and community advancements.
With the custom election code, one of the improvements I anticipate will be the ability to vote electronically for our Chief and Council.
This election code allows the Malahat Nation to create laws that are culturally relevant to Malahat instead of following the Indian Act. This is one more step towards self-governance. A custom election code allows us to control our own nomination and election process of our leadership, and allows for electoral fairness and democratic freedom, and meets the modern needs of the community. This vote is an important action of the community and the Malahat Nation as it builds on the self-determination and self-governance. A yes vote on February 16th means that this code transfers parts of the Indian Act out from the Government of Canada to the Malahat Nation. This will result in greater opportunity for employment, education, housing, economic development, and social programs for Malahat.
Mail in your ballot in advance or come to vote in person on February the 16th, 2015.